Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley. I'm out here on Ono Island looking at a hurricane damaged property, and I wanted to take the time to explain our philosophy in insurance restoration. Obviously we suffered catastrophic effects from Hurricane Sally, and there's a lot of calls coming into the office asking us to give quotes and give estimates. Some of that's because the insurance company wants you to get 3 bids. Well, why do you think they want you to get 3 bids? They want you to find the cheapest bidder and then cherry pick them so they don't have to pay you the appropriate amount. So here's how we work at Addison Riley. We don't do estimates. The Saturday after Hurricane Sally, I got over 300 phone calls, not including text messages, emails, Facebook Messenger, and other forms of communication, asking me to come look at people's homes. Obviously, nobody has the capacity to do that many estimates. And as you can kind of look around and see the size of these homes behind me, they're quite large. I'm on one right now where I'm drawing it into our software system for the insurance company, so we utilize the same insurance software knowing what their pricing is. It's taken me 3 hours. There's no way for us to be able to get out 300 estimates to do quotes. So we don't do quotes. We do contracts. When you contract with Addison Riley, you're getting an insurance hurricane claims expert that's court recognized. Plus, we know the ins and outs on how to get your claim paid. It's just like going to the body shop. If you go to the body shop and take your car in, you don't really get a quote. You send it into the insurance company, you send the contract into the insurance company, and then they bill the insurance company. It's the same thing with us. If we're going to do your roof, we know what the pricing is from the insurance company, so we're going to go ahead, do the pricing, do the job at the appropriate price that we know the insurance company will pay out. So if you could give us a call and you're wondering why we won't give you a quote, it's for that reason right there. We have plenty of contracts that we've been able to do without going out to the homes. We use satellite imagery, and we have an efficiency standpoint in our company. If it's going to be efficient for us to just let the adjuster do his job, and then we come in and we correct it and make it work for you. So with us, you get a one-stop shop. We'll handle your claim all the way through, and we'll get you back to normal at appropriate price, and you won't have to worry about someone taking your money from out of town. So give us a shout at Addison Riley at 776-5009. Find us on the web at addisonriley.com, or find us on Facebook at Addison Riley LLC.